Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and tonight I will be preparing tomato and rice soup. Let's get straight to the ingredients. First couple of ingredients: butter and oil, then garlic, carrots, celery, and onion. And then we're getting into flour, brown rice, which I've already pre-prepared, tomatoes, both canned and fresh, chicken stock, basil, oregano, little bit of brown sugar, some hot sauce, and cream. In the hot pan, I'm going to add the butter and just a tablespoon or two of oil. Get this melting going and good. I'm going to add the onions, the carrots, the celery, and the garlic. Give it a little dash of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. And after a few minutes, things are starting to golden up a little bit. We're going to add the flour. I'm going to stir that around. I'm going to turn the heat down. Get it all incorporated. You want to cook it enough so that the flour taste goes away. Making sure I got flame. All right, I think I'm good now. I'm going to add the rice. Breaking it up. All right, that looks good. Cook this for about another 30 seconds. Want to get want to get the rice slightly brown. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Get them stirred in. Now the stock. the oregano, the basil, and the brown sugar. Get this going and mixing up. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. Ooh, it's looking yummy. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper. And this is where you can add the hot sauce. Tabasco is one of my favorites, but you can use whichever favorite hot sauce you like. But it is optional. Just dip a little few dashes. I think that'll do it. Gives a good quick stir. What I'm going to do is bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to take it right back down to a simmer, and I'll see you in about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, here's this wonderful concoction: rice, tomatoes, and other veggies. On a low flame, we're going to stir in some cream. This would be a good time to check the seasonings for salt and pepper. Add and adjust to your taste. And I'm going to go ahead and serve it up. Give it a quick wipe down. And going to give it a quick garnish. Of some parsley flakes. So here's the soup for the day: tomato and rice. This is the third installment this week of a tomato soup, and they're all different. I hope you have enjoyed this cooking demonstration here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you are enjoying your day. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.